So he did an upgrade to batteries, and we got solar panels earlier in the spring-ish, and he's got videos on that as well. And so we've been learning kind of off and on as we go out and sail what power capacity, what we can and can't do, etc. And the one of the things that was cool on the Sneaky Pete's run was the whole time we were going, we had enough power banked, and it was sunny that day, so we're still, using the solar power.
Oh yeah.
He was slow cooking ribs the entire time we're sailing over there for dinner that night, and we shared with everybody. But
yeah,
when does that happen? I didn't know you were doing that.
Ready to go.
Mm-hmm.
Turn the inverter on. Use the solar power. Cranked up the oven.
Mm-hmm.
And cooked ribs while we sailed.
And I didn't know he was doing that. And we got kind of close to Sneaky Pete's. And I said, oh, man, I don't know what they're cooking at Sneaky Pete's, but that smells so good. And he looked at me and he said, babe, I've been cooking ribs this whole time. And I had no idea he was doing it. But I was like, wow, they smell awesome. I had no idea. So that was kind of cool to see everything play out just right.
That was a major upgrade. We have the videos where I built the first part of the system, solar panel upgrade.
Yeah, there are a couple of videos.
Inside the video, we have if you're just joining,
no, that's good.
This is Sailing into Nirvana's first live right here, and thank you for watching.
Yeah.
So, basically, I feel interested in sailing. It kind of there's a lot of power back.
That's okay.
So, I'm cooking the ribs on the water.
Yeah, now we've anchored in the cove, and he's cooked in the cove before. We've had dinner, Crease barbecued in the cove, but we've never, that's the first time he cooked while we were sailing. And it was fine.
Operation, the way I engineered it.
And we were going, at one point, would you say 5 knots?
Yeah.
At one point, and everything was just fine down there.
Just running fine.
The way he built it and has it in there, and everything worked just fine.
So I engineered that by piecing it out. I chopped around, and I've, in a future video, I'll put it in depth. Maybe next to what I have.
What you got, yeah.
But I chopped it out, and I took something that would have been a $4,500 system, right? I think I put in buying it, installing myself. I think I spent $30,000.
Yeah, and it is fantastic. So,
but I shopped out the best I could say I want to put on this boat for what we're going to do, and so that was the test. We went out, went full power, just like with the Marina, with this system.
It works.
We cooked all day. Everything's fine.
Now, if it would have been cloudy with no sun, we might have had to.
Well, the batteries, the 4 lithium batteries would have kept up, but they would get depleted.
We wouldn't have had anything.
We would have had to recharge. So a lot of people will put a generator on board just run it to recharge those batteries.
We don't need that for what we do here, though.
Champagne sailors.
That's right.